In this video, you will learn how to use Sora 2 with unlimited usage and no watermark. Wait, it's not actually Sora 2, it's an alternative website. On this platform, you can create high-quality text-to-video and image-to-video content. To find this site, search on Google for Hunyuan, then visit the website. Once you're there, you will see the interface. Click on Try It Free. Next, go to the Text-to-Video section. You can type your prompt here and select your aspect ratio. Click on the Advanced Settings arrow to add a negative prompt and choose your model. For image-to-video, first select the model, then type your prompt, upload the image you want to convert into a video, choose the aspect ratio, and add your negative prompt. You'll also find many AI models on this site, so feel free to explore them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.